Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dear students, today we will discuss the important chemical properties of metals. Dear students, the important properties of metals are given below. Reaction of metals with oxygen of iron. Dear students, metals react with oxygen of iron. If metals react with oxygen of iron, they form metallic oxides which are basic in nature. That is, their solution turn red litmus paper to blue. When metals react with oxygen of iron, they form metallic oxides which are basic in nature. That means their solution turn red litmus paper to blue. For example, metal plus oxygen. When metals react with oxygen of iron, they form metal oxides. Metal oxides. This metal oxide is basic in nature. That means the solution of metal oxide, it turns red litmus to blue, red litmus paper to blue. Oxygen from iron. Basic oxide. Some metals react with oxygen at room temperature. ये याद रखना. Some metals react with oxygen at room temperature, some on heating and some on strong heating. Some metals react with oxygen at room temperature, some on heating and some on strong heating. Strong heating. For example, we will take example of sodium metal. Sodium metal reacts with oxygen at room temperature. Room temperature to form basic oxide called sodium oxide. Sodium metal, sodium solid plus oxygen O2 gas. It forms sodium oxide Na2O. Sodium oxide is also solid. Let us balance this equation first. It is 4 times sodium and here is 2 times sodium oxide. It is sodium. When sodium metal reacts with oxygen at room temperature, it forms sodium oxide. Sodium oxide. Now, if we dissolve sodium oxide in water, Na2O, when we dissolve it in water, H2O, water is liquid, it forms sodium hydroxide, NaOH. Sodium hydroxide it is aqueous solution. Sodium hydroxide. Let us again balance it. We will write here twice sodium hydroxide. Na2, it is sodium oxide. When it is dissolved in water, it forms sodium hydroxide. Sodium hydroxide. Sodium hydroxide is alkali. It is an alkali. Alkali. It is the example of metal which reacts with oxygen at room temperature. Now let us take another example of magnesium metal. Magnesium metal. When magnesium metal reacts with oxygen of air on heating, it forms magnesium oxide. It forms magnesium oxide. When magnesium metal reacts with oxygen on heating, it forms magnesium oxide. Magnesium Mg. Magnesium, it is solid. When it reacts with oxygen of air, it forms magnesium oxide. MgO. Magnesium oxide. Magnesium oxide is solid. Let us balance this equation. Here it is twice magnesium. It is twice magnesium oxide. It is magnesium metal. Magnesium metal. It is oxygen. They react with each other and form magnesium oxide. Magnesium oxide. Again, when magnesium oxide solid is dissolved in water, water is liquid, it forms magnesium hydroxide. MgOH whole twice aqueous solution. This is basic oxide. This is a base. Magnesium hydroxide is a base. It is the example of the metal which reacts with oxygen on heating. Now some metals react with oxygen on strong heating. For example, let us take zinc metal. Zinc metal. Zinc metal reacts with oxygen on strong heating only and forms zinc oxide. Zinc metal, Zn, zinc, it is solid plus O2 oxygen, it is a gas. These two react with each other and form zinc oxide, ZnO. Zinc oxide, it is solid. Here it is twice zinc, it is twice zinc oxide. Zinc, Zinc, zinc plus oxygen gives zinc oxide. Zinc oxide. Now, if we write these metals, we can take the examples of other metals also, but these three examples are sufficient here. If we write the metals in order of their reactivity with oxygen, we can write in this way: sodium, it is more reactive than magnesium. Magnesium is more reactive than zinc. You see here, this sodium, it reacts with oxygen at room temperature. That means it is very reactive. इसके बाद magnesium reacts with oxygen, but on heating, that means it is less reactive than sodium. And zinc also reacts with oxygen, but on strong heating. That means this magnesium is more reactive than zinc metal. In the same way, zinc is more reactive than iron, and iron is more reactive than copper. इसके बाद property number 2. Reaction of metals with water. Reaction of metals with water. Dear students, when metals react with water, cold water or hot water, then the products formed are metal oxide and hydrogen gas. That means when metals react with water, whether it is cold water or hot water, they form metal oxides and hydrogen gas. For example, metal plus water forms metal hydroxide metal oxide plus hydrogen gas. Hydrogen gas. Metal oxide plus water. मेटल ऑक्साइड को जब हम वाटर में डालेंगे, इट विल फॉर्म मेटल हाइड्रोक्साइड. मेटल हाइड्रोक्साइड HYD plus hydrogen. The reactivity of metals towards water depends upon nature of metals. Some metals react with cold water, some with warm water, and some react with steam. For example, sodium and potassium. Sodium and potassium react vigorously. They react vigorously with cold water. They react vigorously with cold water. Cold water to form their hydroxides. To form their hydroxides and hydrogen gas. Sodium solid plus water liquid, they react with each other and form sodium hydroxide, NaOH, aqueous solution plus H2 gas, plus heat. Sodium, let us first balance this. Twice sodium, 2 molecules of hydrogen, they form 2 molecules of sodium hydroxide, plus hydrogen gas plus heat. Number 2, potassium solid plus water liquid form potassium hydroxide, KOH. Potassium hydroxide aqueous solution plus hydrogen gas, H2 gas plus heat. Number 2, calcium. Calcium reacts with cold water to form calcium hydroxide and hydrogen gas. Calcium solid plus water, H2O liquid, cold water gives calcium hydroxide, CaOH, whole twice plus H2 gas. इसी तरह मैग्नीशियम जो है, मैग्नीशियम reacts with hot water, H2O, magnesium plus water, but it is hot water. It reacts when water is hot and forms magnesium hydroxide, MgOH, whole twice, aqueous solution plus hydrogen gas. इसी तरह और भी मिसालें हैं. जिंक solid plus water, H2O gas, they form zinc oxide solid plus hydrogen gas. इसी तरह aluminum, it also reacts with water and form aluminum oxide plus hydrogen gas, but it is when the water is in the steam form, it is very hot. इसके बाद number 3, property number 3. Number 3 is reaction of metals with dilute acid. Reaction of metals with dilute acid. Dear students, metals which are more reactive than hydrogen displace hydrogen from dilute acids and form their respective salts. That means metal plus dilute acid forms salt plus hydrogen. That means you should remember the metals which are more reactive than hydrogen. They replace hydrogen from the metal and form salt. And hydrogen gas is also released. The reaction of metals with dilute acids depends on their chemical properties. Some metals react vigorously with dilute acids. Some react rapidly on heating, and some do not react at all. वो इसकी तीन किस्में हैं. Some metals react very fast, vigorously. Some react rapidly on heating. यानी जब हम इनको हीट दे देंगे तब वो रिएक्शन आपस में करते हैं. और इसके बाद some metals are those which do not react with acids at all. For example, reaction of metals with hydrochloric acid. Sodium metal Na, it reacts with acid, dilute hydrochloric acid, HCl. HCl is hydrochloric acid. This sodium reacts with this hydrochloric acid. It is in aqueous form. It reacts vigorously or violently with hydrochloric acid and form sodium chloride, NaCl. Sodium chloride is salt plus H2 gas. Or that means some metals react with dilute acids very vigorously or violently and form salt and hydrogen gas. Number 2, magnesium is a metal. It reacts with hydrochloric acid, dilute hydrochloric acid,